This is pulsed electromagnetic fields. It's pulsing, moving energy. So Dr. James Dillard is a world-class pain specialist who practiced with me at New York Presbyterian Hospital for many years. So Dr. Dillard, are these things for real? I mean, how can magnetic therapies help ease pain?
Because the electromagnets actually affect the nerve cells. Nerve cells are electrical cells, and the magnetic fields can actually affect how the nerves fire and quiet them down without using drugs that most people are used to, and increase circulation in the area and aid the healing.
You take care of a lot of patients. When folks come to you and they want medications or surgery or needles, how do you convince them that magnets might be a better solution?
Well, I actually don't have to convince a lot of these people. A lot of my pain patients, they're sick of having too much morphine, oxycodone. They're sick of all the injections. And I'm trained to do that too. Many of my patients, and remember, more than 1 out of every 3 Americans is suffering with chronic pain now. 1 out of every 3. Many of my patients want to try something other than drugs, unnecessary surgeries, damaging surgeries, and these deep injections. So a lot of patients, I don't actually have to convince them. They want to try something else.
All right, so this is really important. I want you to understand it well. Here's what researchers say magnetic fields are doing inside the body. Inside this mat, there are electrical coils. And when electricity passes through there, it creates a magnetic field that moves through the body. And it talks, it whispers. There's 75 trillion cells.
Devices that are used today commonly are over-the-counter. They don't have any specific backing for them. So sometimes the websites have their own evidence. Right. And otherwise, you're going to have to do some internet work finding evidence for them.
I'm just going to point something out to everybody. Dr. Pollack is an advisor to patients and to companies and universities. And the products that he talks about, he gets paid for. But we're not talking about any of those products in the show today. But you are a world expert in this area, so thank you for making time to visit with us. I want you to go to our website, and I want you to print off a 1-page explanation of magnetic therapy for pain. I've made it really straightforward. Your doctor's going to understand this note, and you're going to understand it too. I want you to take this paper to the people who you're trusting with your care, and I want you to talk to them about it. But here's the big deal. You guys are going to go out there and change the way we take care of pain by being the first one that doctor treats, but you will not be the last. There'll be many other patients who get that therapy because you guys were brave enough to go first and talk about it. Does that make sense, everybody? Okay, thank you.